Hello, welcome to ScriptWave. In today's lecture, we'll be covering Boolean. It's a very simple topic. It won't take more than 5 minutes. So let's try to get started with agenda and look at the next steps. First, we'll look at a quick introduction to Boolean. Then we'll see the code execution that is needed for Boolean. Let's start with the quick introduction. Imagine you ask someone, is it Monday today? Or we'll ask someone, do you have your breakfast? Their answer will be yes or no. In a similar way, even in programming, we need to understand if the answer is yes or no. Here, in a more programmatic way, we call it as true or false. Let's consider 10. Is 10 even or odd? Even, then it's true. Odd, that is false. So similar to this context, we have something called as Boolean data type, which holds only two values, that is true or false. This can be stored inside a variable or returned while having an operator, more precisely having a comparison operator. So here we are comparing 3 and 5, here we are comparing 10 and 5. This will return true or false. Now let's move ahead and see the code for this Boolean operator. First, I'll create a file. So new Python file 04.3 Boolean. So let's say a is equal to true. Remember, only three keywords are capital: true, false, and none. Always start with a capital letter. Let's print it. So we got true, false. Now let's move further and let's print a. Let's do 5 less than 10. Is it true or false? It's false. Let's do the same thing for the less than, that is to 5 less than 10. Let's do for, we have operators, a separate section. That will be the next section actually. We'll see all kind of operators. So we got false. This is not equal. Normal equals is assigning, double equals is comparison. So this is assigning, this is comparing. So we need to be very careful while using both. So here we got the output, and based on this output, we'll be doing the operations. Then we'll start with the control flow statements. So this is the story about Boolean data type. So that's it for the lecture. Very quick one, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So see you in the next lecture. Have a great day.